Good morning. I'm going to be showing you a day in the life as a sports therapy student. This is me just waking up in the morning with my cat. So let's get ready for my lesson today. I'm going to start the day off with some Weetabix because it's a solid start and I think they taste really good, especially with sugar on. And then I'm going to brush my teeth. Brush. And I also really like to study before I go to lesson because I like to be prepared in case they ask any hard questions. I don't think my cat likes me to study though. Either that or she just likes being with me when I do it. Now I'm going to put some makeup on and actually get ready. I like to try and make a little bit of effort before I go to uni by doing my makeup and my hair and things because it then helps with my confidence. So I just think if I look good or look good to me anyway, then I'm going to feel good and have a good day. No idea what I just said then. Ta-da! My hair and my makeup is done. So let's get dressed. We have to wear a uniform. We still have the old uniform. Don't have the new stuff yet. So it's like red t-shirt or jumper. And we have to wear shorts and white trainers. So this is the end result, but I will put some... Oh yeah, and there's a bruise on my leg. I'm sorry about that. But I will put some black joggers over the top so I don't get cold. And then I'm going to pack my bag, so I do have to wear my glasses a lot at uni. I need my student card because I can't get in otherwise. And then that's my Beauty and the Beast book and my little tablet laptop thingy for notes. And I'm going to film today, so there's my phone tripod thing. Yay! I only live like 2 minutes away from the uni, so I decided to go and grab a coffee before I go to class. So I'm going to pop into the Verve. There's literally nobody else in here, so it was just me by myself. I had a mocha, it was nice. And I went straight to class, so here I am. This is my lecturer, Megan. And today she was just showing us how to assess the ankle and to palpate it to see if the client has any pain. And then all of us get to try it out. We all learn pretty well by doing practical and getting stuck in. And yeah, that's it really. So if you want to see any more videos on sports therapy, just leave a comment. Bye!